connecting physical things to the internet and making them smart is nothing but IoT.
Today I attended my first IoT workshop, how real objects connected and controlled through the internet.
When you learn it practically, you get confidence, right? So that's how I feel right now.
I got a great opportunity to build my projects in the future.
Once you get these percentage symbols in the output section, you can leave the boot button. If you place hand in front of your sensor, it will execute successfully.
Thank you NIAT for giving this opportunity to learn about the innovative workshop session to be creative.